Now we have to make it over there. Now let's take the ones that we have duplicated it or as a backup. Take it over the y-axis. Set origin to geometry. RZ 90. Now origin 3D cursor. Clear the parent. Let's reset the location and the rotation. What is this G-axis over there? You should move this over on the edit mode. Let's check out the reference images. Let's make it go deeper. No, let's make it straight out of there. Nice. Now extrude it along the z-axis. Make it deeper. Let's give it some sharpness. Alright, now let's take that. Cheesy this. Make it go inside. Now RX is rotated accordingly. Now we'll get rid of the extras. Alright,